Hey beauties, it's Riri. Welcome back, or welcome if you are new. Today, as you can tell by the title and the thumbnail, it's my winter FabFitFun box. All right, I'm gonna scoot to the side for this one so that we can open up our box. I'm so incredibly excited. I do the yearly memberships, so I do have the option to go in a little bit earlier and make my selections. This is a very customizable box, and it's more skin, makeup, but it's also lifestyle, fitness, things like that. So I'll pop all the pricing and deets and everything right here for you guys. This is not sponsored. I pay for this myself. Just noting that for you guys. But I was a little disappointed with my fall box. I didn't feel like it was super fall to me. So I felt like these selections with the winter box, in my opinion, were slightly more winter, and I think I like this box better, just based off of my selections. I'm also going to note that I don't remember everything that I got in here, because the day that customization opened up, I was prepping for my Halloween party, and I literally did it in like 5 seconds, like a crazy person. So anyways, let's jump in. Right on top, I actually see my few add-ons that I got, so I'll quickly let you know what I got. I got the Truly Clear Face Cleaning Exfoliate Pads. I picked up to split up as gifts or give this whole thing to my son just because we both love these so much. It's the Spongel Eucalyptus Rain, Honey Blossom, and Papaya Yuzu. These are body wash infused sponges. And we are both huge fans of the sponges. I always note for you guys, the very first couple of times that you use this, it can be quite abrasive and quite aggressive. So if you have very sensitive, very reactive skin, just note that. But after you wet it a couple times and use it a couple of times, it is absolutely lovely. I feel like you get a good amount of exfoliation. They smell really nice, but they don't dry out the skin. I'm such a huge fan of these. All right, first up, right on top, again, I totally forgot what I got, but I felt like it was a great box overall. First up is the battery-powered toothbrush from Black. And I figured even if I didn't use this, it could be something that I could gift to somebody. I'm somebody that really likes to gift handmade items, personal items. I like to make like gift bags or baskets for people and purchase more like necessity type things, if that makes any sense. Next up is something I was so incredibly excited about. And I was like, this is the main reason that I logged on and picked as quickly as I possibly could, but it is a Coach head wrap. I don't know exactly what it is called. Cable Knit Winter Headband by Coach. And I just thought it was so freaking beautiful. Now, does it get super, super cold here? No, but I still thought it was really pretty. I like stuff like that, but we shall see. Next up, we have this blanket. Now this, I don't know if I'm going to be gifting, or I may possibly put it in my group for sale or on my Mercari, but it is a Free People, the Sky Stripe blanket, and it has an RSVP of $78. And I don't know, just because I didn't see a whole lot that I wanted after I picked up my initial few things I knew that I wanted, so I kind of just got this just to get it. This does not match anything in my entire house, unless I put it in here. But if I put it in here, I'm not really going to use it, and I would like to get use out of it. All that to say, I don't know if I'm keeping it. I'll put a picture right here how it looks, though. Either way, I was still excited to see it, though, and I feel like that screams winter. Something just plush and yummy and cozy and warm, and, you know, like the head wrap. I feel like I just liked it. I liked that option. Next up, I was so thrilled to see something. I mean, again, it's lifestyle, it's kitchen, it's cooking, it's skin, it's everything. But this is the Sassy Wolf Walkie Pack. And it has the leash and then like the little clip that you put like your little bags and stuff on. I thought that was so freaking cute. I guess I could take it out. I do know I'm keeping this. And if you guys do not know, I do have a small dog named Popcorn. And it says, where dogs are family, a woman-owned and operated small business proudly based out of Sterling, Virginia. And I just thought it was so freaking cute, you guys. Like, look how adorable that is. And I also like that, yes, this is like winter holiday-ish, but it doesn't like scream that. So I don't know, I think it's so cute. It's so freaking cute. Next up is the Playground Love Sesh water-based personal lubricant unscented. And now, does this scream winter? No, but like I said, I only kind of really wanted a couple of the products, so I just was picking things that I was like, maybe I'll use this, or maybe I could give stuff, or whatever. And last up, and I don't actually remember picking this or seeing this, so that's kind of odd. I need to check my order. But this is the Becca and Smashbox, the Shimmering Skin Perfector in Champagne Pop. Definitely an old school classic. I don't think I'm going to open it at all, because I actually have a new one, like a limited edition one. But yeah, I think overall I really did like this month. I do like some of the items obviously better than other ones. This is a little bit more of a pricey type of quarterly box as well. But I genuinely do feel like even just having like the little dog thing and the Spongelles, things that I normally would buy these, like I do buy these for my son consistently. I buy them for myself. I got a couple of the different add-ons and stuff like that, but I'm not completely blown away. I think they did better for, you know, I think they did better for winter than they did for fall. Y'all comment down below. Let me know what you think. I'm going to pop what I was supposed to get right here just to make sure because, like I said, I don't remember, y'all. Yeah, let me know what you think. Do you get FFF? Have you tried it before? Have you thought about testing it out? Let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. Let's have that conversation. I love you, beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And, of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.